Very, very simple. And these lights are fantastic. I actually would recommend them if you are going to do this work. Now, this tip here, and you're going to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 8mm nuts. Just take those off and then very gently push, and you can also pull from here from the outside, and this whole light assembly is going to come right off. So let me go ahead and take those nuts off. Let me take these 2 bulbs out, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like to put the new ones in. All right, as you can see, it's off. Really easy. I always take this opportunity whenever I have like my taillights out. I always take this opportunity to clean, because this is not a place that you normally would be able to get a towel to or rag to. So, you know, clean anything out of there if you need to. And then this is going to be easier to show here than it will be actually in place, especially on this side because of the navigation and CD changer. It's a little bit tight, but really simple. So now if you're just replacing your lens, replacing this taillight assembly with the exact same OEM, then go ahead and just plug it right back in, put those 4 nuts back on, and fit your light plate back into place, and you're good to go. It really is that simple. This whole project should take you 5 minutes at most. Now, if you're doing this with the LEDs, it'll probably take you 7 minutes. Okay, but these, well, if you're using these as exact same LED style replacements, these are going to plug in directly to the same spots where the bulbs go in. Now, I find it easier that if you peel back this rubber cover, so you can get a better grip on this plug, because what you have to do, these plugs, just like the light bulbs, have these little fingers on them that have to go in one orientation. So it's going to have to go into the plug and turn. And I find that I get a better grip on the metal if I pull this rubber back down the wire and then slide it back into place once it's on.